AI engineers, are you drowning in fragmented tools and inconsistent frameworks while building research agents? Struggling to track experiments across PyTorch and TensorFlow? Tired of manually parsing archive papers for literature reviews? This skill gives you a modular architecture with pre-built ML components for PyTorch integration, NLP pipelines, and Git-based version control. It automates semantic paper analysis using transformer models, tracks hyperparameters in weights and biases, and structures hypothesis testing with Jupyter integration. Say goodbye to duct taping research workflows and hello to reproducible breakthroughs. For ML engineers, data scientists, and AI researchers, let's ship smarter, not harder. Here's what's inside the Building AI Research Agent skill. You get a modular framework supporting PyTorch and TensorFlow, automated academic paper analysis using BERT-based NLP, experiment tracking with MLflow integration, Git version control for model iterations, and collaborative Jira Notion workflow templates. It comes with expert instructions, code templates for distributed training, and real-world examples like hyperparameter optimization pipelines. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Turn chaotic research into production-ready innovation, faster than you can say reproducibility crisis. Installing the Building AI Research Agent skill takes one command: npx quanta-skills add building-AI-research-agent. That's it. You'll download 15 expert-designed modules with Python templates for experiment tracking, literature analysis pipelines, and collaborative dashboards. Your next Claude Code session auto-detects the skill. Your AI now speaks fluent ML flow, understands PyTorch like a pro, no PhD in DevOps required. Just type build research agent and watch the magic happen. Science has never been this fast.